But first, anger in the Boston Fire Department. Deputies say that their chief failed to do his job during the city's worst crisis in decades.
Nearly all his deputy chiefs have signed a letter expressing no confidence in Chief Steve Abrera. They say he did not take charge in the moments or even hours after the marathon bombings, and that's not all. Beth Germano is working this story this evening. And Beth, the mayor now standing by his chief.
Lisa, he does and suggests inside politics may have as much to do with the letter. But the mayor still says he wants information on what the fire chief's role should have been the day of the bombings, as the deputies turn up the heat.
His deputies label him the ghost fire chief. Steve Abrera now taking fire from his command staff. This letter, signed by 13 of the city's 14 deputy chiefs, declares no confidence, claiming he failed to take command at the scene of the deadly Boston Marathon bombings. At a time when the city of Boston needed every first responder to take decisive action, Chief Abrera failed to get involved in operational decision-making or show any leadership. Mayor Tom Menino says he wants some facts.
I have asked the commissioner of the fire department to look at the national standards, what they may be, and if we're following the procedures.
The chiefs charge Abrera as the highest-ranking uniformed officer never announced his arrival at the scene on Boylston Street. And not just the marathon. At a 6-alarm fire in East Boston, they claim Abrera didn't assist but climbed onto a roof to photograph himself by a burning building. And at the N-Star transformer explosion that plunged Boston into darkness, they say he didn't communicate or coordinate resources. Changes in protocol, which they write, allow the chief to shield himself from immediate accountability while setting the stage for undermining the confidence and authority of his command staff. Abrera is a former Dallas fire chief, an outsider, which the mayor suggests is part of the tension.
I've been mayor for 20 years. There's always tension between certain elements of the fire department.
The deputies are looking for a meeting with the mayor, who wants to wait until he has the information he requested. Chief Abrera, who's been on the job a year and a half, wasn't commenting today. I'm Beth Germano, WBZ News.